Get ready for a market-moving update, because Arm Holdings is turning heads on Wall Street with a massive technical breakout that could signal huge gains ahead. The chip design giant is stepping into the spotlight with its brand new Arm AGI CPU. And with Meta Platforms already on board as a lead partner, the AI infrastructure game is about to change forever. We are tracking why this 21-month base structure has investors buzzing, and why the company's upcoming earnings report is one you absolutely cannot miss.
Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Next up, we are shifting gears to the world of live music, where hitmaker Teddy Swims is turning fan connection into an incredible opportunity. He is teaming up with White Claw to celebrate the raw energy of concerts, and is actually giving fans a chance to score a lifetime supply of show tickets. Plus, we are diving into his epic Coachella experience and the surprising mentorship he received from rock legend David Lee Roth that has everyone talking. Big corporate moves are shaking up the boardroom as Rene Haas prepares to step down from the AstraZeneca board to focus on his massive new responsibilities. As the CEO of Arm Holdings, Haas is taking on a major new role leading semiconductor and AI strategy for SoftBank Group International. We are breaking down what this shift means for the future of both tech giants and how this high-level leadership shuffle is impacting the industry landscape. Finally, we are heading into the world of venture capital, where workforce software leader UKG is making a major power play. They have officially brought on veteran investor Steve Bernardez as the first partner to lead UKG Ventures and fuel the next wave of AI-driven worktech startups. We are digging into how he plans to hunt down high-growth opportunities to reshape the future of productivity and human resources. If you want to stay ahead of the latest trends, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss a beat. Ever heard the Wall Street saying, "The longer the base, the higher in space"? It's a classic for a reason, and right now, all eyes are on Arm Holdings, which looks ready to blast off. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into why Arm, the company that effectively acts as the architect of the modern tech world, is setting up for a massive move that could leave investors smiling. For those who need a refresher, Arm isn't just another chip maker. They are the designers behind the complex semiconductor blueprints that giants like Apple and NVIDIA rely on. But here is the game changer. Arm is officially evolving. They have just unveiled their own in-house silicon, the Arm AGI CPU, specifically designed to crush the bottlenecks currently plaguing AI data centers. Even more impressive, Meta Platforms is jumping on board as the lead partner to train their Llama 4 platform using this very tech. In the world of agentic AI, this kind of efficiency is pure gold. Now, let's talk charts. Arm has been carving out a massive 21-month base structure. In technical analysis, that level of consolidation is a powder keg. It represents months of institutional accumulation, and with trading volume recently surging way above the 50-day average, it is clear the big players are loading up. If this breakout holds, we are looking at a conservative price target around $250, a potential 34% upside from where we are now. And don't forget their track record. They have crushed Zacks consensus estimates every single quarter since going public. With their next earnings report coming up on May 6th, the timing couldn't be more interesting. Is Arm about to redefine its role in the AI arms race? All signs point to yes. If you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the stocks that are actually moving the market. Before you go, check the link in the description to grab your free report on the 7 best stocks to watch over the next 30 days. Remember, in the market, the ones who do their homework are the ones who stay ahead. What do you think? Is Arm a buy, or are you waiting for the pullback? Let me know in the comments below. Ever feel like the digital world is stripping away the soul of our shared experiences? Well, Teddy Swims is here to remind us that nothing beats the raw, sweaty energy of a live show. With a massive festival run at Coachella and Stagecoach behind him, and a headline tour heating up, Teddy isn't just playing music. He's on a mission to reconnect us. He's teamed up with White Claw this summer, and the stakes. A chance to win a trip to see him live plus a literal lifetime supply of concert tickets for you and a lucky +1. But beyond the perks, Teddy is chasing something deeper. He tells us that in a world where everything feels filtered and manufactured, live music is the only place left to be real. It's that arm-to-arm connection with strangers where you realize your heartbreaks and triumphs aren't yours alone. Speaking of epic moments, can we talk about Teddy rocking out with David Lee Roth at Coachella? The legendary Van Halen frontman didn't just hop on stage for Jump. He's been acting as a mentor, dropping wisdom, and let's be honest, probably a few hilarious don't do this stories. It's a surreal bridge between generations that proves great music is timeless. And while Teddy is starring in a splashy new White Claw commercial, he keeps it humble, preferring the vibe of a genuine house party where you can actually bond over the songs that hit home. Whether you're headbanging to Mr. Know-It-All or having a good cry during a ballad, Teddy knows that music is the ultimate glue. So, are you ready to get back into the crowd and find your people? Check out the details for his contest, grab a ticket, and go see him live. After all, life is too short to experience it through a screen. Go find the person standing next to you and make a memory that actually sticks. Ever wonder what happens when a tech titan gets too busy to balance their high-stakes side hustles? Well, we just got a prime example in the corporate world. Rene Haas, the powerhouse CEO of Arm Holdings, is officially clearing his schedule. As of the end of April, he's stepping down from the AstraZeneca board, and the reason is as simple as it is ambitious. He's got his hands full with a massive new promotion. SoftBank just named Haas as the CEO of SoftBank Group International, a move that puts him in charge of steering semiconductor and artificial intelligence strategy across their entire global portfolio. Now, it is important to note that Arm has been quick to clarify that this new gig is strictly part-time, insisting that it won't pull his focus away from his primary duties at Arm. But let's be real. When you're managing the brain of the modern AI revolution, even a limited role is a heavy lift. AstraZeneca and Haas have mutually agreed that there simply aren't enough hours in the day for him to continue his non-executive director duties effectively. It's a classic case of corporate realignment, where one massive opportunity necessitates walking away from another. Meanwhile, AstraZeneca shareholders are watching from the sidelines. Though with the stock up an impressive 39% over the last year, they probably aren't losing too much sleep over a board shakeup. What do you think? Is this just a routine corporate pivot, or does it signal that the AI arms race is getting so intense that top executives can no longer afford to diversify their time? Let us know your take in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the shifting tides of the tech and pharma markets. At the end of the day, in the world of high finance, time is the only commodity you truly can't buy back. Ever wonder who's pulling the strings behind the tech that manages your entire workday? Well, the game just got a lot more interesting. UKG, the workforce management giant, is making a major power move by bringing in industry heavyweight Steve Bernardez to head up their venture arm, UKG Ventures. This isn't just another corporate hire. It's a strategic signal that the future of work is about to get a serious AI-powered upgrade. Bernardez is no stranger to the venture capital grind. Coming off a high-profile run at Pegasus Tech Ventures and a 5-year tenure at Avanta Ventures, he's practically Silicon Valley royalty when it comes to bridging the gap between big corporations and scrappy startups. His mandate at UKG is crystal clear. Scout out Series A startups that are pushing the boundaries of HR tech and productivity, and then integrate them directly into UKG's massive ecosystem. Think about it, Bernardez isn't just writing checks. He's essentially acting as a matchmaker, plugging these innovative startups into UKG's massive client base through pilots and deep product integrations. It's a win-win. The startups get scale, and UKG keeps its edge in a market that's increasingly being redefined by AI-driven payroll and financial coaching. Bernardez mentioned that the chance to architect a program with this kind of strategic mandate was impossible to pass up, and honestly, seeing how they've already backed companies like Financial Wellness Labs and Intermezzo. AI, he's clearly hitting the ground running. This is a classic build versus buy play, and UKG is betting that owning the innovation pipeline is better than chasing it. If you're a developer working in the HR or workforce space, you'd better keep your eyes on what Bernardez does next, because he's currently holding the keys to one of the most powerful platforms in the enterprise world. What do you think? Will this help UKG dominate the future of work, or is the competition moving too fast to keep up? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you want to stay ahead of the latest moves in corporate tech. After all, innovation never waits for anyone.